I decided to update my old Minecraft skin, so in this video I will show you how to create a custom Minecraft skin. Firstly, let's talk about the basics. Minecraft skins are customizable texture that can be applied to the Minecraft character. There are two default Minecraft skins, Alex and Steve, and each one can be customized by the players using image editor software or online skin editor, but we'll talk about that in a few moments. An important difference for skin creation is that Alex has slimmer arms than Steve, making her more customizable. Moving to design, keep in mind that it's always a good idea to get some inspiration to be sure you can create something interesting that will stand out. Some good places to look for inspiration are the Skin Deck, Planet Minecraft, and my favorite, Pinterest. When you have several skins that you like, it's time to move to creating, but not before getting a good color palette. Try using a gradient palette to get some smooth shades. For that we will use the website colors.com, which is easy to use. You can just generate a color palette or pick one from millions of trending color schemes. Another very useful tool is getting colors from an image, which I use to get my skin tone and hair color from my skin. Choose a palette and save it for later. For creating the skin, we'll use the online skin editor from the Skin Deck. I will add the link for everything in the description. The website is pretty easy and intuitive to use. Here's the color wheel, the color tag, two buttons for body layers, the base layer is for base color of the skin, and the outer layer is used to make the skin pop up more. 99% of the skin creators use the outer layer, so I strongly recommend using it if you want to achieve something stunning. In the left part we have a pen tool to paint each pixel, an eraser to delete the wrong parts, auto shading tool that make a random deviation from your color to obtain this effect. I really don't recommend using it because the result is pretty noisy. The eyedropper tool is used to pick the color from your art, the bucket to fill the entire shape, undo, redo, and shadow with a lighter tool. The downside of this tool is that it isn't the best way to add shadows and lighting to an object. If you want to add shadows to a shape, besides moving the picker from our color wheel down to black, it's recommended to move also the color closer to the blue for shadings and to yellow for lights. And this way you will have more natural and smooth shades. Another important tool is the symmetrical tool, which allows you to draw symmetrically in both sides of the objects. Also, it's important to use the body part side, where you can hide and unhide each part of the body, allowing you to draw under the surface like the bottom part of the head or the inner hand side. You can also choose which body to use, Alex or Steve. We'll go with Alex for now. Knowing that we are ready to start creating our new Minecraft skin. After generating the palette, a pretty good tip is to add each color in one hand so you can pick it directly. During the process, I tried to make the skin look as similar to me as possible. I actually had a picture of me open it so I can have a reference of what I am making. Don't forget to play with the outer layer and don't overthink it too much. Just do it. I'm sure you can do something amazing. And here is what I could accomplish. You can have a look at my beautiful work. Once you have your skin done, just press on the download button and save it on your device. Now it's time to set it on your account. Enter on the official Minecraft website, choose what type of skin you use to create your version. In my case it's Alex. You can see your old skin here. Click select file and choose your skin. Click upload and you are done.
Yay!
And here is how the skin looks in the game. I hope this tutorial was useful. Let me know what do you think about it and who should we next transform into a Minecraft character. Don't forget to like and share this with a friend. See you next time. Peace.